School districts across Central Texas are facing criticism for certain COVID-19 policies. For now, a group of parents is suing Austin ISD over its masking and quarantine policies.
KXAN's Jennifer Sanders spoke to one of the parents who explains why her daughter's medical condition is at the center of the reason that she filed the lawsuit.
Texas Supreme Court.
Lonnie Newfer has two children in Austin ISD. One of them was diagnosed with epilepsy this year.
Every day she's going to school, terrified, like, okay, am I going to have a seizure today? Am I going to have a seizure today? And is there going to be someone around to help me take my mask off so I can breathe?
That's why she joined a group of parents filing this 278-page lawsuit obtained by KXAN. They're challenging the district's mask mandate. The parents also disagree with the district's quarantine policy seen here. They believe people who are vaccinated and people who aren't vaccinated should be treated the same after a potential exposure.
So we're not a group against masks whatsoever. We absolutely want choice. That's the thing here, right, is that parents should choose for themselves.
Newfer says she was told by a school official there wasn't a mask exemption when she requested one for her child. But a district spokesperson tells us a school's nurse can help families walk through that process.
In order to get a mask exemption, there will be some sort of input from a health care professional. So some medical form that says that a mask exception is needed.
After an August survey, the district says 80% of families were in favor of masks, and the district will keep that mandate in place throughout the school year.
We are seeing an overwhelmingly positive and compliant response to our mask mandate. We know that a mask works.
Newfer just hopes the courts will now grant AISD parents the choice to decide that. In Austin, Jennifer Sanders, KXAN News.
Earlier tonight, an AISD spokesperson said the district had not yet been served and could not comment on any part of this lawsuit. So far this school year, AISD has had one of the lowest rates of COVID cases among students and staff here in Central Texas. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has sent Austin ISD a letter in regards to its mask mandate, notifying them that it's not in compliance with Governor Greg Abbott's executive order. The district could eventually be sued by the state if it keeps that mandate in place. Paxton has already sued Round Rock and Elgin ISDs because of their mask rules. 10 other Texas school districts are also being sued.